I just got the Fitbit Sense 2 for $199, $212.69 after tax. This is the soft gold aluminum case in Blue Mist Infinity Band. It says it manages stress, helps you sleep better, and live healthier. This is a 24mm watch, includes a 6-month Fitbit Premium membership. Let's pull the tab and open it up. It just slides out. Here's the box inside the box. Opens up like a book. Here's the Fitbit Sense 2 in the center. We could just pull that out of there. There's a look at the watch. Over here is a spare strap in case your strap rips. Under that is our quick start guide, product information, and a welcome note. Over here is the charger. So that just slides out. We'll close this book. Let's pull the tab on the charger. Open that up. This has a flat charger with 4 contacts and a regular USB. A bit different from the old Sense charger, which has clamps on the side. Let's take the wrapper off the watch. There's a look at the watch. Remove the wrapper from the back. So let's pull the strap out. It's got a little tab to hook you in there. And open it up. Has a nice shiny back to it. It says Fitbit, heart monitor, temperature logo, GPS logo, and one more logo on the back. This is actually magnetic, so the charger clips right to it. So we'll just have to plug this into a USB port and charge the watch. Here's the cord from the Fitbit Versa 2 that I'm replacing. It's much longer than the cord for the Fitbit Sense 2. That one also did not come with a power brick, so I'm going to use this one. This is just a Samsung power brick, and I'm going to charge it. As you can see, the difference between the chargers, this was a clamp, and the new one is a magnet. Here's the Versa 2 on the right, and the new Sense on the left. They're very similar in size. The Sense is more rounded. Straps are a bit different, and the way they attach is a bit different. So here's the old strap versus the new strap. The old strap had aluminum at the end. Here's the Sense 2 versus the Versa 2. Let's set up the Sense 2. English. So we need to charge it still. Download the Fitbit app, which I already have. So Fitbit Sense 2 notification popped up on my phone. So let's set it up. Opens up the Fitbit app. I'll replace my current Fitbit with the Sense 2. Scroll down, agree. Okay, here's a getting started video. It's telling us to charge the watch, so I'll charge the watch until it's fully charged. Click next. Now it's searching for the Sense 2 over Bluetooth. Okay, it's going to send a pairing code to the Sense 2. So I'm going to type in the pairing code. Now it's connected. It wants to access my contacts. I'm not going to do that right now. So we're going to pair it, and we're going to allow the Fitbit to access the Sense 2. Now we're connected. It's asking for a protection plan. Let's skip that. Now we need to update the Fitbit Sense 2, so I'm going to update it. It's downloading the latest software. The Sense 2 is completed updating. Continue. Voice privacy information, so we can disable the microphone. Getting started with Alexa. Not now. So we can set up phone calls on our wrist. I'm going to skip this. It's a privacy statement. Just going to consent to that. Google Maps navigation on your Sense 2. So we'll set that up later. Showing that you can swipe up or down or right or left on the watch. Or press the side button to get to menus. Showing us how to put on the watch on our wrist. Showing how to take care of the watch. And we're all set. You can get Fitbit Premium. I'm gonna skip this. And here's the Fitbit app with the new Fitbit Sense 2 connected. Has a new look to it. As you can see, the watch is also connected and downloading the latest software. I'll put it back on the charger. The Sense 2 is almost done updating. Now the Sense 2 is done updating. Has today's date. So let's swipe over. Has some exercises so you can start a walk, a run, or a bike ride. And then it should have the rest of the exercises. So walk, run, bike, treadmill, spinning, strength training, high intensity yoga, elliptical swim, and other exercises. We swipe over again, we get today's weather. Need to sync with the phone. We have a stopwatch, new timer, 1 minute. Okay, so there's our timer. Pause it, start it, end it. Here's a stopwatch. Start the stopwatch, stop it. Okay, swipe over. We got body response, sleep data, heart rate. We have today's activity, which is nothing yet. Our steps for today. Swipe down from the top. We have night mode, do not disturb, clock faces, screen wake, brightness mode, set to normal, settings, display, vibration, goals, quiet mode, shortcuts, and about sense 2. We swipe up, there's our notifications. Swipe right, so we can swipe right or left through the menu. And if we put it on, it's just gonna get the heart rate. That band's a bit tight. I might need to switch that out. So to change the band on the Sense 2, there's a button here. You just push it up and that band comes out. And then I'm gonna put the new band in because I need the larger band. So that just snaps in, which is great. Okay. So now I'll put that on. All right. The larger band goes on. There we go, snap through. And put that through the other hole. And it is attached. Here's the button on the side. We press that and we get to see other apps. ECG. Set up on phone to get started, open Fitbit mobile. So we open that up. Take rhythm assessment, ready. Which wrist is your device on? Right. Okay. I'm gonna sit down. I'm sitting. And put our fingers on the edges. Keep our arms still. Just gonna scan for 30 seconds. Gotta keep still. Data collected. Analyzing. Normal sinus rhythm. Okay, done. And click and see what else is there for apps. We have the timer, alarm, Alexa. We have EDA scan, exercise, Fitbit play, Google Maps, relax, today, and weather. What's today? Welcome. Let's learn how to organize your stats. Okay, so we can reorder the different stats. I don't want to do that right now. Let's do EDA scan. Take a moment to de-stress and see your body response. De-stressed and see your results. Begin. Quick scan. So there's like a 2-minute scan. Electrodermal activity response are tiny changes in your sweat level of your skin. These changes may be due to stress or other factors. Okay. Keep your palm on the screen. Make sure to touch the metal frame. And keep still. Okay, got it. Okay, so I guess we put the palm on the screen. And I don't know how we know we're done if we can't see the screen. Just keep it going. Cover to resume, so that's going to take like 2 minutes. But those are like the new features on this Sense 2 over the Versa 2. And of course, GPS is built in. So Google Maps, setup needed. So there's a lot of stuff that needs to be set up on your phone. Open. Well, that's a quick look at the Fitbit Sense 2. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.